Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, it's me, Christopher David Lawson of NEPA. And today we're finally going to take this thing out for a ride. My Hawk DLX. Let's roll the video.
You think you know me?
Yes, we're finally legal. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out for its first ride. I've already gone over every nut and bolt, trying to get everything tightened down. Got the plates on it. Changed the oil, changed the spark plug, got everything adjusted. We're going to take it for its first ride on the road. Its first legal ride anyway. Let's go. Right, folks, it started right up. I'm not going to do much of a vlog, but this is my first ride actually on anything other than a cruiser, so let's go. The bike seems to cruise comfortably around 6,000 RPMs. Alright, let's see how fast this thing will go. I hit 63 miles an hour. I am about 240 pounds too, just for reference. I will say about this bike, it's definitely hard to find the shift peg for my big feet. I'm gonna have to make them a little bit bigger or something. Don't let the knobby tires fool you. This is actually a pretty good in-town cruiser as well. Or a nice bike for a ride down to the beach. One of my favorite stops usually in the summer if I'm out riding locally to the beach here in Northeast. It is the day before Thanksgiving though, so it's pretty cold. Not too many people down here. Let's get out of here and start heading home. Let's see how this bike pulls both of us up this incline. Not bad for a 229cc Chinese motor. Definitely not a disappointment. I wasn't expecting much out of this bike. Like I said, I thought this is a refurbished bike. I feel like this RPS Hawk DLX did a great job out on its first time on the road. I can't wait to start doing modifications and making it more comfortable and maybe a little bit more performance. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye for now.